Okay, hi guys, Terry Brown, and I wanted to put this video together to show you the kind of service that you'll get with the IXQtv. Okay, and this is something that I can say that we're very proud to share with other people. If you have a real desire now to lower your cable and satellite bills, then this is something that you really want to take a really good look at. Here I am at my corporate website, and as you can see up the top here, it says welcome to the website of Terrence Brown, LB Solutions, Coach Terry Brown at gmail.com. That is my email address, of course, and if you have a desire to reach me, that is a good way to do it. A better way would be to text me at this number here, 540-797-9858. And should you have a desire to contact me, then use those methods. Text is probably better. It'll reach me faster. Okay, and so I wanted to say this before I move forward, that if I'm not available at that moment, then I will get back with you, okay, as soon as possible. So that's what I do. Okay, now what I want to do is go in and show you again the quality of the service that you'll get with IXQtv. They said there's an old saying that says seeing is believing, or there's another saying that says a picture is worth 1,000 words. So here I just want to direct your attention here to set up instructions. Okay, so you can set up this app on an iPhone or smartphone, Android phone, okay, laptop, computer, smart TV, okay, a tablet, anywhere where you can get internet access to, then you can put this app on and you can watch television. It's live streaming television, and it is absolutely incredible. Okay, it is the wave of the future. That's the way people are going, and in order to save money, and hopefully that's your goal, that's what you want to do. You want all the television programming that you can get, but you want to save money at the same time. All right, so I'm going to go here. It says subscribers. Click here to watch. So let's do that. And we're here at the interface, and you just simply go to live TV. Okay, and it's really simple. Oh, before now we're at the VIP Sky Sports box, and there's actually nothing playing. That's why you don't see a picture here, but we're gonna move this in just a moment. But I want to say this because I have this app on my computer and on my Fire Stick on my television. Okay, so I can either come down here to my office and watch television, or I can go upstairs and watch television on my TV upstairs. Okay, and so you could put this on, again, any app, any device that you have internet access to. Okay, I hope that is clear. All right, so let's go here, and I want to show you this because this is absolutely important, vital. As you can see, these are categories. All right, and pay-per-view is right up top. All right, UK entertainment, UK documentaries, UK sports networks, UK movie networks, UK kids networks, so on and so forth. You see, you go down the list, okay, and you hit USA Entertainment, VIP USA Entertainment, and again, these are categories. And once you click on these, we're going to do that in a moment, then you'll see all the channels that you'll be able to access in the different categories. Okay, USA Movie Networks, USA Kids Networks, USA News Networks, ABC Local Networks, CBS Local Networks, Fox Local Networks, NBC Local Networks, VIP USA Sports Networks, USA Canada Sports, ESPN Networks, Fox Regional, okay, Sports, and down the list, okay, 24/7 Kids, 24/7 Shows, okay, 24/7 Shows, All right. NCAA football, NFL package, NBA package, live sports, all the live sports that you want is available. Plus international channels, okay? Africa, Albania, Arab, Armenia, Belgium, so on and so forth. There are literally over 7,000 channels on with this service. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go to someplace I like to go to watch television, and that is USA Entertainment. So let's go there, and we'll just kind of look. Takes anywhere from 10.
Spicy gin.
Okay.
Strudel.
10.
Perfect.
That wasn't even 10 seconds, but
How'd you do that?
you know, it could take 10 seconds to populate, and you can see the clarity. Now, we're not really supposed to share a lot of this content because it is streaming, and we're not really allowed to record. Just for the sake of sharing this, we can share briefly, okay? But as you can see, the clarity of you'll get, and this is what, A&E, all right? And we'll look at a couple things here so that you can get an idea of how this is going to work when you get it. Okay, so let's go to ABC, and let's see what's playing on ABC. Okay, so give it, what, 10 seconds or so, and it's going to populate for you, and there it is. Okay, and what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to let you hear what's going on.
Fort Campbell, home of the Screaming Eagles.
Okay,
First Airborne.
Yes.
And we'll bring that down. Notice again the clarity. The fluidity of movement. This is a technological wonder, okay, that we have with the IXQtv. Okay, another channel that I like is AMC, and we'll look at we'll look at a few really quickly. Oh man, look at that! Great movie. Now I do need to share this with you. If you want to get the full screen, you simply go to these arrows right here, and it's going to bring up what? Full screen for you, okay? And then all you do is hit those arrows again when you want to get back to the regular screen, and you're going to go there. It's going to bring that back up, okay? Now let's go back down and let's see some more channels. All right, as you can see, there's the Animal Planet. Okay, Animal Planet backup. Okay, Antenna TV, BET. All right, let's go on down. Some of my other favorite channels are Discovery. Okay, Discovery Family. Look at this. Food Network. That's probably one of my all-time favorites is the Food Network, because I love cooking and I love eating, and so let's go there and see what's there. And all right, okay, and so we're going to
cattle on a
let you
misty
hear a little
morning
bit of
in
that.
the days before Christmas, and they really deserved a sweet treat.
Okay.
What could be better than mini pecan sticky buns?
Again, you can see, how quickly this populates for you. The great picture that you'll get with this. So, I mean, I love this thing. I mean, I'm able to watch TV when I want to watch it, watch what I want to watch, okay? And you can't beat the price, okay? For $39 a month, you get over 7,000 channels. You get sports, live sports television, pay-per-view, all the premium channels, okay? This is absolutely incredible. I've got to have this because my wife loves these Hallmark movies. Okay, so let's go there. Give it, and there you have it. Okay, and I really like these movies.
All-time favorite Christmas
I like
song.
to sit down with
Go.
my wife.
That's easy. Baby, won't you please come home?
And as you can see, okay, now another channel is HGTV. But I'm just showing you this so you can see. I'm just pulling these up. These are channels that I like. You pull up the channels that you like, and you go from there. Okay, HGTV, and I do like the Property Brothers, what is it, Love It or List It? Okay, I like all that good stuff. Okay, and then if you want to get out of this, okay, this is your USA TV channels, and you can go on down the list. I mean, we've got, there are plenty of them. Okay, and just keep in mind this is under one category, so we'll go to another category in this video just to show you. Let's go to, let's say, USA Movie Networks. Let's go there. Okay. Give it. Okay. So there you have it. All right. And here we at. This is the 5-star Max. Okay. Movie playing here. Okay. Action Max. Or let's go to Cinemax. See what that's about. See what's on there. Okay. As you can see, again, you just simply go down and you can see all the Showtime, HBO, Stars, okay, Western channels. All right, everything that you want to that you would want to have some good television programming. Well, that's basically what I wanted to do in this video. And once again, in closing, just keep in mind that you're going to get some amazing television programming, all the channels that you could want, pay-per-view, sports packages, premium channels, kids channels, music channels. We didn't even talk about those, but they're available. And as you can see, the quality of what you'll receive with this service. Okay, so I've said everything I wanted to say in this video, and go ahead and get started. I'm going to leave my link and get started today. I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Bye-bye.